What's up, curvy girls all over the world? Today we are trying out boob tape. I'm super excited because I am a girl who is part of the JKLMNOP bra cup category. And so this brand I'm trying is claiming to be perfect for girls who have larger chests. And this summer, I'm trying to pop out in the deep V's, the low cut dresses where a strapless bra just won't do. So if you are interested in checking out today's video and seeing how this boob tape works on me, then you already know what to do, and that is to keep on watching. Well, all right, guys, so let's jump right in and get started. As I said in the beginning, I'm super excited for today's video. I am going to be trying out this boob tape in real time as I am filming this video. So this is not, oh, I tried it before and I'm just discussing my thoughts. I'm literally trying it today. Now, as a girl who has larger breasts, I am telling you, it has been very hard to find good boob tape to make sure the girls stay up, and then also boob tape that is easy to take off and that does not irritate my skin. Now, I am typically a strapless bra girl, so anytime I'm wearing anything low cut, one shoulder, strapless, I pretty much have one of those multi-changing strapless bras. But this summer, I've come across two dresses that I am madly in love with, and they are very deep V dresses, and it requires me to wear boob tape or no bra at all. And there's no way that I'm gonna let these things hang, okay? I can't just go braless, all right? I need a little lift somewhere. So that is why I am testing out boob tape today. Now, the brand I am testing out is called Nude. They are a sustainable brand, and they specialize in boob tape, or what they call bust tape, for the larger breasted girl. Of course, they do for smaller breasts as well, but they say that their boob tape and their bra tape really works for girls like me who have larger breasts. So they have reached out to me a while ago and they sent me some gifts. So when I got the two dresses, I was like, wait, I have boob tape in here to test it out. So that's what brought this whole video together. Now, I'm going to go over all of the goodies that they sent because we're going to be using them all today. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's first get into my bra size. Now, I don't just be sharing this all willy-nilly, but for the sake of today's video, I'm going to tell you, okay? We are in L cup. Yes, baby, we are in L cup. I am a 42L. Sometimes in some bra brands, I might need a 44L, or in, the UK sizing, it's an M cup. So, yeah, we got tickle bitties, y'all. Okay, so Nude. First thing we're going to be trying is what they call their game changer. This is their lift and shape bra. So basically, it's not like a real bra, but it's supposed to lift like it's a real bra. It's also supposed to support and shape your breast. And they also claim that this is sweat proof and breathable, because that's the other thing with boob tape that I always was concerned about, like in the summer heat. Like, is that thing going to melt off, and next thing you know, all my goodies is hanging low, sweet chariot? No. So this is the Game Changer Lift Bra. So in a pack, you get 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 4 in a pack, and the cool thing is they label on the back which side this goes on for the boobs. So they have one where you can see the L for left, and then they have one where you can see the R for right. Now, you see that these look pretty large, right? So you can get these in different sizes. So I pretty much have the largest size. Now, they do have a size chart. So if you like what you see today, make sure you check out their size chart. Their size chart pretty much kind of breaks down which size to get in their lift and shape bra. So because the largest size that they really go up to is about a 40 or 42K, they do let you know that you can use 2 of these if you are larger than a K cup, or like your band size is larger than a 40, 42. So that is good advice that they're letting you know, hey, you can use 2 if your breasts are bigger than what we offer. And also, for anybody who is small chested, they do go as low as an A cup in the strapless as well. Also on the packet, they do show you how to apply their lift and shape bra. So it's showing you how you attach it, and you just need to pull it up. So I think that is also very helpful. And they even have test patches so you can make sure that the sticker, the glue, does not irritate your skin. So that's something you should definitely be doing before you try any boob tape, is to test it to make sure it does not irritate your skin. So in here, this is what the little test patch looks like. So they give you 3. Okay, so we're going to put it on now. So as I'm talking to you, we're going to make sure that this does not... Oh, wait, I didn't even pull it off right. We're going to make sure that this does not irritate... Oh, okay, I see. I have pulled the sticker off. So we're going to test it. We're going to put it right here just to make sure that does not irritate my skin. Okay, so as you can see, I'm putting it right here. I told you, this is real time. Then they also sent me some nip cups, okay? These are very necessary. What I also want to mention too is that you can get these in different flesh tones. So the nip cups are in a deeper flesh tone, which works for me. Now, the darker, they have one darker than this, but I think it was sold out. So I got this. This is their bronze shade. Now, in addition to the little nip cups, you also get actual boob tape, or what they call bust tape. So this is the bust tape that they sent as well. So you see, you can cut this. So this is when you want to customize the lift to whatever it is that you are wearing. On the back is the tape. So when you apply, you want to apply this slowly. So pulling the tape as you go. I did read that. And then also with the tape is stretchy. So I'm going to show you just a little piece of how the tape is stretchy. Okay, I'm going to peel back a little bit. So this is me peeling it back. And then look at this. Look at how stretchy this is. And that's what you want in the boob tape to help with the lift. So look at that. Look at how stretchy that is. In addition to the bust tape, they also sent me their boob remover. So this is their boob savior. And it says it's a citrus pill oil base, and it's an adhesive remover. So this is going to help take off the bust tape, both of these. And it's supposed to easily take it off. So when I read the directions, it says to saturate the tape and then gently pull it off. So let's get into trying this tape on. Okay, so we're going to take the test patch off. My skin doesn't feel irritated. It feels fine. And now I'm going to show you how I would apply the nip covers. So now I'm just peeling the plastic off the back of the nip covers. And I'm doing it over my shirt so you guys can just see where you're supposed to and how you're supposed to apply it. And then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like actually on my skin. But I'm definitely still going to be covered. All right, so now I'm going to take the Lift and Support sticky bra, and I'm just going to apply it gently, and I'm going to pull back the tape as I go. So as I put it on, I'm going to gently pull it up and cover up the nip covers, and then pull it all the way up to the top of my breast. All right, y'all, so I have one boob up. So I use the Lift bra, the single patch. So I actually use 2. So the trick I'm finding is you have to play around what kind of shape you want your boob to go in. So when I put the first bra lift on, it lifted up, but I kind of got this weird spillage like in the middle and then on the side. So then I put the second one on to kind of adjust that. So as you can see the difference, this is my boob without a bra, without any lift. And this is with the lift. Look at that difference. I had to switch my t-shirt. I told y'all I can't be on these internet streets like that. But look at the lift. This is just from the tape, and the tape is on me. Like, it's on me. So you can even see the difference. So it's up, and then this one's like down here. I could tuck it inside my jeans. I don't even want to talk about it, but we're liking it so far. So let me go finish the rest and then I'll put on the dress. Okay, so now this is one of the dresses I was dying to wear with no bra because the strapless bra would peek out. Now, when I've worn this, I always pinned it closed, but this is how it would look if I wore it with boob tape. So this is the lift bra. So this is me using two, okay? Without me doing too much. This is me using two. So I put it at the bottom and then I pulled it up. As you can see, the lift is there. And as I look closer, I can probably bring the bra up higher because I do kind of see like a little bit in the middle of my chest. The little skin is hanging down. But this is trial and error. This is real time. So this is something I feel like I got to play around with to find the perfect customized fit. And the girls are still doing good. So if I move around and bounce, they're still staying in place. That's a good sign. Okay, guys, so now we're going to try the boob tape. So the boob tape is a little bit more customizable. So what I'm going to do is measure it around my chest and see how long of a piece I need. And I'm going to cut it. And then when I read the directions, it says you can cut multiple pieces and layer them over one another to kind of help with more of like a push-up look. So what I'm going to do is cut a few pieces and, you know, just layer them. And let's see how this comes out. I'm not going to lie, the boob tape was a little bit more, I guess, like difficult because you have to measure it and you got to make sure that you measure it right so you can get the, you know, you can get the secure pull and lift. And so that's what I did here. I'm testing it out on my shirt first. So then when I put it on my body, it should, you know, do me right when I put on the next dress. Okay, so the way I taped the boob tape didn't go with the dress, but I wanted to show you how it would look with something strapless. So I just grabbed one of my strapless jumpsuits. And as you can see, the girls are up. The girls are up hanging in there. Now, what I realized with the boob tape is you have to make sure you press it down so the glue can stick to your skin. And you have to make sure when you press down, you smooth it out. And you have to pull the tape tautly so this way it can hold up your boobs. So this, again, is trial and error. So I used a lot of boob tape for it to work with the strapless. And so I also put some on the side in like a U shape to kind of hold my chest up just a little better. So once again, with this tape, it's really trial and error, but the good thing is you can customize it. You can use as many pieces as you need. You can clip off some pieces if you don't need it. And so I'm very pleased with this. Okay, guys, so now here's another dress with me doing the boob tape. So now with this dress, so again, this is real time me trying this on. A dress like this where there's so much, you know, cleavage for the boobs, I have to customize the tape. Now, I feel like the tape has a better and a stronger hold than the lift bra. So as you can see, so I have the tape on. Now, I tried to tape it where you couldn't see it. So you can see the lift though, right? Like you can see the lift. But obviously I have big boobs and just the cup size of this dress is just too small. However, the way I taped it up, I still feel like it gave a nice lift. You see what I'm saying? Now, the only thing is cutting the tape so you don't see it. So I would have to cut some of the tape here so you don't see it, and definitely over on this side as well. So I think with the boob tape, I feel like it's such a trial and error thing. And I feel like if you have larger boobs, you need a lot. You definitely need a lot. Again, this is my first time trying it. So this is like a real, you know, review. This is not necessarily I'm telling you, oh, go and buy this. I just wanted to try some boob tape. So, I mean, I feel like I still need to try some more. So I can't say that I'm crazy about this. Like I said, I prefer the tape over this little lift thing because I need more than two. I probably would need three, but I couldn't do three with something like this. I would only be able to do that with something that, you know, maybe have more coverage in the arm area. So I'm not mad at it. It was worth a try. Well, all right, guys, that is it for me. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. As always, I will leave a link down below to the nude brand so you guys can check them out for yourselves. Let me know, what did you think of today's video and the bra tape? Also, if you enjoyed today's video, hit me with a thumbs up. Also, feel free to share this video. If you've watched more than 2 or 3 videos, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, along with the notification bell, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. If you guys want to keep up with me, you want to know what I'm doing, where I'm going, or what I'm wearing throughout the week, make sure you are following Stylish Curves on Instagram. For more plus size style, fashion, and beauty, make sure you guys check out the blog, stylishcurves.com. As always, I enjoyed hanging out with you. I hope that you enjoyed hanging out with me, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.